Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide likes on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to hide likes on Instagram, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app, and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, and here just select the post for which you want to hide likes. For example, I'm going to select this one. Just select that, then tap on three dots here, and then select hide like count. Just select that option, and after that your like count will be hidden from other people's. Or if you want to hide likes for other posts, so for example, if you are watching anyone's post and only want to highlight these likes, so let's see how can you do that. You have to tap on your profile option again, then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here just scroll down and look for the option of like and share counts. Select that, and here you will get the option of hide likes and counts. Just enable that option. And once you have enabled, you will not get the likes and share counts of other people's posts. So in this way, you can easily hide likes count on your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.